Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Friday. This week's Liberty Brief, we're going to talk about something that can impact anybody. And you probably know somebody who has been impacted by this, and that's scams. All right. So let's go through some examples. Number one, how about your grandmother receives a phone call, somebody claiming to be you or someone claiming to be holding you in jail, and hey, you need to bail out. Grandma just needs to go to the grocery store, purchase a couple gift cards, and then read them the gift card number, and then they'll let you go. It's one example. Sounds silly, it happens. Hey, example two, one that we know about, you get a call from somebody claiming to be from a courthouse. They tell you you owe a fine and you need to pay that fine. So send it to our Venmo, send it by Apple Pay, go purchase a gift card, something like that. Okay. Another example, let's say you get a call from somebody that says, hey, this is Detective so and so, and I'm investigating you for name the crime. However, we're really looking for bigger fish here. So we'll let you off with this one if you make a donation to our canine fund. All right. I bring all three of these up because all three of these are real scams that have happened. Some of them sound silly, but they do happen. They happen for reasons because they're successful and they take a lot of money from people who are scared. So, how do you spot them? Well, for starters, you should know that you can't buy your way out of trouble. If there's an investigation or there's somebody telling you that you have to pay to protect yourself, just hang up, call an attorney to handle it for you. Second, a court's never going to ask you to pay your fines and costs in gift cards. Okay. So if somebody's asking you to buy a gift card, that should immediately raise a red flag. Okay. People take money, they don't take gift cards. Okay, but the biggest thing is that when in doubt, check it out. Don't just make a payment no matter how much pressure you feel is on you to hurry up and pay. Now, if you do pay or you have paid, the important thing is that you stop because scammers, they're going to keep coming after you until you have nothing left. These things are starting to get more complex. In our office, we've recently heard of folks that have loved ones who are incarcerated. They're getting calls with detailed information about their loved ones, personal information. Those calls is coming from someone claiming to be within the incarceration facility, and they're telling them, "Hey, your loved one is approved for early release. They're going to get out. The only thing that's left with their application is they just need to make these payments." And again, they're coming after things like, "Hey, send me a gift card for Apple or Target, or send me a Venmo," or whatever it may be. You can't just take them at their word. You need to check this out. Probably the first step, you want to go to law enforcement, have them check it out, find out if this is legitimate. If you have an attorney that is representing you or your loved one in this situation, check with them, make sure this is legitimate. Chances are, if it sounds too good to be true, or you haven't heard about it already, then it probably is too good, and it's probably a scam. Take care of yourselves. Everybody have a good weekend. Thanks for tuning in.